Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do the front tire install. Working on that right now. So just going through the book, doing some reading. It's very important you have the direction of the tire that the wheel's gonna spin. So there'll be a tire indication arrow. So, yep, gonna get the axle bolt here. Trying to be careful. Lined up. Kind of difficult. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. Yeah, the foot-pounds is over here. I don't understand the Newton meters things. Or kilograms. Anyways, so, got this set to 12 pounds. We're gonna torque it on there. Okay.
Don't seem to matter. You try, but it's no use. Your world is getting blacker. When every time you fail has no answer, every empty promise made is a reminder. No one can make this better. Take control, it's now or never. Are you sick of it? Raise your hands, get rid of it. While there's a fighting chance. Are you over it? Born to death? Have you had enough regret? Take a stand, raise your hands. If you're sick of it, if you're sick of it.
Caliper. Alright guys, that's basically almost it. I just gotta put the other caliper on and then test the brakes and see, hopefully it works good. So we're gonna do the rear wheel tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. And then next thing is gonna be the oil change, and that's about it. So I'm almost done. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all you other guys too, your videos and information, helping out a lot. Another note too is I already looked at the brake pads. I don't have to do brake pads. I have them in case if I have to, but that's about it. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.